Some irate youth at Liberia Camp, a suburb of Kasoa in the Gomwa East District, have threatened to burn police vehicles in protest of the killing of a 37-year-old Mason.
They have accused the patrol team of the Kasoa Divisional Police Command of allegedly shooting Al-Hassan Awudu, who the police allege was an armed robber. An eyewitness, Aisha, narrates how the incident occurred.
Kasoa Budumbra camp. I am Mr. Ndula, and you mele 8 o'clock. Yet, say, I am my brother Penny. Our plates, no, did you? And a police for bar, patrol team for bar, I said. Also, no one said, you know. And I see on no Shinya day, and Shan Wuntonia day. On Sole. It's a one police one is almost one uncle for your day. I want to see. So, me as some bank for it, and I was supposed to sing it at me. There one of us, let's in a plan, it didn't mean and I want to Mussolini. And on this one, I was having 20 a day. Apple plan is on your from 4 on your shade, not January. It's a one of one issue. So, Mama one issue to Nakano. No more pedan to Carnage, no more Catani said. Almost to never know, and our catcher is over and almost your money.
Let's now move into Tema, where residents are living in fear following recent robbery incidents within the metropolis. Over the past 7 days, there have been 4 reported incidents in the city. Citi News' Tema correspondent Elvis Washington has more in this report.
Residents of Tema are living in fear over recent robbery incidents within the municipality. Last week Friday, there were 2 straight robbery incidents recorded at the Shell filling station at Community 8 and the Starbite restaurant also at Community 8. According to eyewitnesses, the incident took place during daytime. This has sent fear to many residents. As if that was not enough, the robbers again struck on Sunday, where they robbed the Casings gas filling station at Tema Community 2. Again, according to a CCTV camera, some 2 armed men were on motorbikes on Monday, entered the top-up pharmacy in Tema Community 4 and robbed them in broad daylight. On Tuesday morning, reports reaching Citi News also indicated that the Plastic Hotel had also been robbed. Residents are appealing to the police to come to their aid.
Away from that, former Ghana Football Association GFA President Kwesi Nyantakyi says he is sad and shocked after learning he has been handed a lifetime ban by World Football Governing Body, FIFA. FIFA banned Nyantakyi for life yesterday and fined him 500,000 Swiss francs for multiple violations of the FIFA Code of Ethics after he was caught on tape by Anas Arimiao Anas accepting a cash gift from undercover reporters. The final decision came after Nyantakyi was initially handed a 90-day provisional ban, which was extended for another 45 days upon expiration. Reacting to the news in a press statement today, Mr. Nyantakyi, who already has a pending case in Ghana against investigative journalist Anas Arimiao Anas, said he was heading to the Court of Arbitration for Sport to clear his name, while describing the ban as unfair and harsh. Moving on, the Supreme Court has quashed the decision by the High Court leading to the removal of Professor Mauto Avoke as Vice-Chancellor of the University of Education, Winneba. According to the ruling, which was a unanimous decision, the High Court in Winneba failed to take evidence from the parties in the case before granting judgment in default of defense. Professor Avoke was in 2017 asked to step aside until a case brought against him and the university's governing council was determined. A new vice-chancellor was reinstated amidst the court case. In an interview with Citi News, lawyer of Professor Avoke, Harold Atuguba, said the decision of the Supreme Court nullifies the reinstatement done by the university's council. We're moving on to some other stories. And nurses on rotation at the Koforidua Central Hospital in the Eastern region have begun an indefinite strike to demand payment of their allowances. The nurses say they have not been paid for the past 8 months, a situation they describe as inhumane. Citi News' Niamate Kanaku reports.
Instead of being at their duty post, the nurses, numbering close to 150, rather gathered at the administration block of the Central Hospital, chanting and agitating. Some of their colleagues who were reporting for morning duty boycotted duty and joined the protest. Some of them spoke to Citi News.
Free. So we want the government to do something about it because we come to work, stress ourselves all day without money. Why? Oh, really bad. That is not even get allowance in school time. And as at now, still we have not gotten allowance. Is it possible to expect them to come to work every day? The government should do something about it. If not, no way.
The travails in the educational sector seem to have no end because teaching and learning will cease in all pre-tertiary institutions in Ghana from Thursday. This follows a decision by the Coalition of Concerned Teachers Ghana to lay down their tools. They accuse the government of failing to pay their salary arrears and government's decision to deduct a compulsory 10 Ghana Cedi insurance levy without their approval. Citi News' Caleb Kuda has more.
According to the coalition, government invests millions into the free SHS program while failing to pay them their due. Its communications director, Adokwe Ayikwe Awule, cautioned that products of free SHS may not progress academically if government continues to neglect teachers.
Government still owes over thousands of teachers' arrears, which runs into millions of Ghana cedis. Recently, 10,256 teachers were said to have been paid their arrears, but our checks indicate that many of those people were underpaid. These salary arrears that we are talking about date back from 2013 to about 2016, and there are thousands of teachers whose money have not been paid to them till now. It is irritating that government is spending billions and billions of the taxpayers' money to make free SHS a reality. About 1.2 billion Ghana cedis is being spent to make free SHS a reality just within one academic year. But the teacher who is at the center to administer the knowledge and to impart the knowledge to the students is being neglected to the background.